Dr. Ortain again, coming to you from Daybreak Life and Health channel. Today we are going to continue on our series on mental health. We have had two discussions. First video was about improving your mental health, or how to improve your mental health by staying connected. The second one is how to improve your mental health by exercise. Don't forget to check out those videos if you haven't seen them already. Today we are going to focus on another technique, which is by relaxation. How to improve your mental health by relaxation. How to use soothing or inspirational music. I call it inspirational music, but if you read out there or if you Google, they will tell you soothing music. So I'm going to combine them as soothing or inspirational music.
'Cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul.
And basically, to improve your mental health, one way to relax your mind and make you able to forget about all those challenges in your mind that pushes you into anxiety, and pushes you into depression, and pushes you into phobia and fear. One way to do it is to listen to inspirational music. Now, by inspirational music, I mean music that inspires you, as the literal meaning is. Music that inspires you, music that is non-stimulating. Some music, if you listen to it, will cause you to do something. Not that kind of music. We want a music that will make you feel relaxed. So maybe listening to gospel music is a very good way of listening to inspirational music, because it will inspire you. Most gospel music or gospel songs will tell you how good God is to you. It will tell you how not to be afraid. So it will basically give you positive vibes, things that will make you relaxed. That is why my go-to music for that particular one is gospel music. But if apart from gospel music, you listen to jazz music or to classical music, those are other forms of music that can also inspire you to be relaxed. Some instrumentals, just plain instruments. You're not listening to anybody telling you what they think or what they are arguing about or anything about life. They're just plain soft, inspirational jazz or classical music. That can make you very relaxed. So if you listen to such music when you are stressed, or as a routine, maybe once a day or maybe a few times a week, you will be relaxed. So that is one way to improve your mental health. The other thing is other music, other forms of music like reggae. Inspire you, may make you any kind of music that relaxes you. That being said, rock music may not be relaxing for you, so you could listen to it at some point, but when it comes to trying to relax, then the idea is to listen to music, calm music, inspiring music, non-stimulating, as I call it. It's not non-stimulating music that is not provoking you to think that hard. It's not provoking you to begin to imagine certain things. No, all that you listen to is for the brain to calm down. That is the kind of music that will improve on your mental health by helping your mind to relax. So if your mind can relax by listening to some kind of music, that is the music that will inspire, that is the music that will encourage, that is the music that will cause your mental health to improve. The other thing is the music, the kind of music you choose. I don't know what kind of music you listen to. Just avoid music that talk about death. Avoid music that talk about gloom. Avoid music that talk about that basically are insults. Music that will make you actually think negative of yourself. Those are music you have to avoid. Otherwise, you are going to actually do the worst. So you have to be careful that much as music relaxes you, the choice of music is as important as the music you are listening to. So make sure you don't choose music that promotes death, that promotes depression, that promotes anxiety by themselves, or that promotes hate or anything that will stimulate you. Listen to the kind of music that relaxes you, that inspires you. That is the key word for me here. Other people would just call it soothing, but soothing and inspirational, soothing and encouraging, soothing and uplifting. That is the one that you need to look for when you listen to music to relax you for a better mental health. When you are listening to music, you can either lie down or sit. You can just lie down, either in your bed while you listen, or sit up in a chair, relaxed. You should be as relaxed as possible. Your body posture must itself be relaxed, and then play along the relaxing music. I also want to encourage you, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. That helps a lot for other people, for YouTube to recommend this video to other people. So hit the like button and help us out, reach more people this way.
I have fallen further than I had before, but now I'm crawling, and I don't have the strength to get up off that floor. I'm giving into it, I'm living in it, embracing all the pain. Can't run from it, I can't numb it, I won't medicate. I'm still learning and growing. I am not who I was before. I'm done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my masterpiece. Bruised and torn, all my broken parts falling like they collide, all to take me away meant to be. So I thank my lucky scars. I thank my lucky scars. If I feel it, if I feel the pain, then I am still alive. And if I'm living, wanna give it all, not simply survive. I'm leaning into it, I'm breathing in it, inhaling all that hurt. 'Cause walking away, it'd all be in vain, and that would hurt much worse. I am not who I was before. I am done hiding from all my failures. think my lucky